So for today's recipe, spicy chicken rice, I have taken 2 cups of rice, 4 to 5 pieces of chicken which is boneless, chopped onion, chopped red bell pepper, chopped tomato, green chili, lemon, bay leaf and grated ginger. So let's start the video and check out the recipe. At first I have to marinate this chicken. So for this I have taken a lemon and squeeze it. Then take the ginger garlic paste, not grated ginger garlic paste into it. Black pepper powder, one spoon of red chili powder, and salt as per your taste. Now mix this properly with a spoon. So the marination is complete. Now leave it for 15 minutes. So now I am taking a mixing jar and put the tomato, one red chili, red bell pepper, and the onion into it. And at last add little bit of water into it. Now I am gonna paste it. So the beautiful nice paste is ready. Now I have taken a pan, put on the stove and put the oil into it. Let the oil heat properly. So now I am taking the marinated chicken and gently put into the pan. Cook it on medium flame. Cook each side for 5 minutes. Then flip into other side. Flip into the other side gently. So now you can see the chickens are become golden brown in both sides. Now I am taking a plate and keeping aside. So in the same pan, now I am adding the jeera, cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves, now I am adding the chopped onion, frying it. So when the onions have become golden brown, I am adding the ginger, grated ginger here. I have used ginger garlic paste on the marination and grated ginger into this. Mix it properly. So now I am adding the onion tomato mixture into it. In this mixture, I am adding haldi powder or turmeric powder, jeera powder or cumin powder, coriander powder or dhania powder, and salt as per your choice or quantity. Now mix it properly with the masalas. So now in the mixture I am adding the soaked rice. Mix the rice properly. So I am adding water. And gently put the chicken onto the rice. So let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes in low to medium flame. So now I am adding the chopped coriander into it. And mix it. So the delicious chicken rice is ready. You can serve it hot.